Hello, hello, boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday, January the 4th, 2022. We have here 9 extra puzzles, and only 5 of them I will solve. Those are the 3 stars, the 4 stars, tectonic I will do, the binary I will do, and the killer Sudoku. So total of 5 I will solve instead of 9. It's too much for me if I solve them all, because I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. And well, if I solve all the 9 or 10 puzzles, because if you need to count medium Sudoku, regular medium Sudoku, so 10 puzzles. If 10 puzzles, the average time is 20 minutes, well, 200 minutes. 200 minutes for solving it, and 200 minutes for uploading it. So 400 minutes. Wow, it's a day job. Well, okay. Let me continue with this binary puzzle number 3929. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1, double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1, between 2 ones comes in O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Let me see. Well, double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Yeah. And now. Well. Double 1, here no, there no. Overlooked. Okay. Well. Okay. How about? Oh, yeah, this column. I need to compare. Otherwise I cannot continue. Yeah, I need to compare. 1. So I cannot place the O here. Otherwise we have identical columns. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. This can double 1, here no, there no. Okay, so we need to switch these. These 2 numbers, digits. Yeah, we have an O. This should be a 1. Here we have 1. This should be an O. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. Then. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Then Yeah. Need to compare again. This row and that row. 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. Empty box. 1, 1, 0, 0. Empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. The 1 and O, we have a 1 here. This should be an O. With O there, this should be a 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Yeah, between two ones comes an O. Well. Here we have in this row 1, 2, 3 O's. I cannot place the 4th O here, otherwise we have here 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. A double 1 here, no, there, no. 4 O's we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So this box should be a 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. So double 1 here, no, there, no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. 3. Yeah. This I cannot compare. Can I compare? Come on. Double O, overlooked. Here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Do we need to compare the columns again? Yeah. Need to compare again. This column and the second column. 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, empty box. So we need to switch these two boxes, these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Finish in 7 minutes. A lot of comparing, but I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the 2 other puzzles, a killer Sudoku and a tectonic with 4 stars. See you then. Bye bye for now.